Hello, I'm from Singapore. I'm going to do my hair transplant. Let's go! So this is my new hairline. From the back, the graft will be facing at the new hairline. So cannot wait to get my new hairline and look handsome like Shah Rukh Khan. So I had my anesthesia at the back. So it is painless, and these are the 3000 grafts. So the extraction is painless, so you guys can try. So now I'm having lunch. So the food is very good. The biryani is the best. Wow, feel like at home. So I've done my transplant, hair transplant. Now I eat medicine already, feeling okay, a bit giddiness, and time to go home. And my hair, this is my hairline from the back to the front. Okay, bye bye. Hello, so today is the day after my surgery. So today I come to do dressing. These are my scalp. So this is my yesterday dressing. So today I'm going to do dressing, and yesterday night I slept from the back this way, and it is painless and I sleep peacefully. Okay, thank you. Hi, so my dressing is done. Now I'm going to continue doing PRP treatment. So PRP treatment is to make my unplanted hair scalp, make the roots stronger. So I'm going to have my have to take my blood and put inside the machine and inject it at my scalp to make my unplanted hair stronger. Hi, so my PRP is ready. So it has this is it. So it has the platelet cell, so it will make my scalp stronger and beautiful, very strong. So now they are injecting. My scalp. So it's not so pain. It is very important at the non-transplanted scalp. So yeah. Hi, I have completed my surgery and my hair transplant for both days. So these are my medicines. So these are the antibiotic for 7 days. This is the cream to apply on the scalp. This is to wipe off the back of my hair. So this is the one, every 1 hour I have to spray at the transplanted hair. This is the hair cap for me to go back home. So these are the 3 vitamins to make my hair stronger. Hi, I'm from Singapore. I've done my surgery at the world best clinic, which is India, New Roots Skin Hair Clinic. So the surgery is done by the professional doctors, very experienced doctor, 24/7 with me. So the operation theatre is very clean, comfortable, and very good. So I came to the clinic. I saw a lot of patients with good result, and I'm looking forward to have a good result like them, which is I think it will be a good result. So I'm going to left with 2 days in India. They provide me a good facility. They even took me at the airport and make me stay like their own friends and family. Namaste, India.